Hello everyone! In this video, let's talk about how to establish a company in Germany. I assume you either already know pros and cons of incorporating in Germany, or if you don't know, that's the whole another video topic that I may make another separate video about. I will now really jump straight into the topic and give you the first step to consider while establishing a company in Germany. Like in any other country, it's to think about what legal form you want to choose for your company. There is several legal forms that you can consider, but some of the most popular are first sole proprietorship, that sometimes I call sole entrepreneurship. Single person has type of a small business is fully responsible for company assets and liabilities. In Germany, you can also consider forming a partnership type of a company where you share this responsibility for another person. And yet another most popular legal form in Germany, like in any other country, is limited liability company. Rather, your liabilities are limited to your company, to your legal entity. More about legal entities in details, that's a separate subject. I will make another video regarding that topic. Okay, now as you decided what legal form you want to go for, you should consider obtaining a residence permit in Germany because you need it for setting up a company. There are a few types of residence permit in Germany. Business visa allows foreigners to stay in Germany for 90 days to explore business opportunities. Then there is entrepreneurship visa to stay in Germany more than 90 days, and there is blue card for highly skilled professionals that allow them to stay in Germany and work and start a business. And it's very important to apply for the correct visa that applies to your needs. After that, you need to choose the company name. You need to make sure that your company name is not already reserved, and how you can check the company name is with local trademark office. Let's wrap up what we have talked about until now. Now, as you already have legal form chosen, as you hold already visa, so you can legally stay in Germany. After that, you need to register your company. Now, let's go to heavy duty stuff. To register a company with local trade office or local chamber of commerce, a copy of your ID or passport, of your business plan, a description of your business activities, proof of financial resources, proof of registered office address in Germany, a declaration of acceptance of German Commercial Code. Once your company is registered, you will receive tax number from the local tax office, also called in German Finanzamt. Now, as your company is formed, next step is to register for taxes. All companies need to register for taxes in Germany. We all know what Germany is known for, it's taxes. There are a few types of taxes that you need to register for. It's value-added tax, it's corporate income tax, and it's trade tax. Good news, you can register for taxes using Elster portal, the portal which is called Elster. Not like many other things in Germany, this is actually possible digitally. So yeah, Germany is making slowly its baby steps towards digitalization, let me say. It's obvious, in order to operate a company in Germany, you will need to have a bank account. To open bank account, you'll need your tax number and your formation incorporating papers. After that, you need to consider German Commercial Code and consider some business licenses and permits that you may need to obtain. For example, if you're gonna open a restaurant, you need special license for that. You can check that with local trade office. Specific license And also, if you're gonna hire employees, then you're gonna register yourself for Social Security Office, and there is other compliances to consider. Now into another, probably most interesting question for you. Cost of setting up a company in Germany. Cost of setting up in Germany varies widely depending on your structure of your company, initial capital, and so on. But let's roughly go through expenses that you may face. First is business structure registration fees, which is for sole entrepreneurship usually between 30 to 60 euros, while for GmbH it's usually between 300 to 1000 euros. Notary fees. Notary fees may also vary based on complexity of your papers, and it can be somewhere between 100 to 500 euros. Then you have to consider commercial registry fees. Once a company is registered, it needs to be entered to Commercial Register of Germany. The fees can here range also from 150 to 500, quite a range. It's highly advisable to hire professionals who can guide you and support you throughout your application process for incorporating in Germany. So you should also consider professional services that is highly variable as well and can be between 1,000 to 5,000, also based on the complexity of your business structure. Consider also minimum capital requirements. Some legal forms require minimum capitals in Germany, unlike other countries like Georgia. For limited liability company, also called in German GmbH, it's 25,000 euros, for example, which can be raised through equity or through debt financing. And also VAT registration fee. Companies that are required to register for VAT need to pay for that as well, which is 60 euros. If you're interested in incorporating in Germany, you can consider contacting us. We can help you with that. If you have other questions, you can consider watching my video blogs or my blog posts. Other than that, consider subscribing this channel to hear all kinds of updates and infos. If you like this content, make sure to like. And by the way, I read all the comments. I'm very interested what you got to say about this video. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great one. Bye for now. See you in my next video.